Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery for the Volvo. This is a Volvo XC60, the latest model. Okay. Here we got this CR2032 battery. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, CR2032 battery. So I think the key look slightly different when I compare with the Mercedes. Yeah, you see, it's a little different, but it's very simple forward. You see, to replace the battery. You see the lever here. You know, if you press, push the lever over in like that. Yeah, you push it in like that, and then this cover will pop out. See, if you push it down and then you just slide it down slightly, and then the cover will open. You see, like that. Okay. Now on the other side, yeah, we need to open this side as well, because the battery is this side. So you see here, right? You see there's a lever here as well. So if you push the lever down, same again, right? You push it down like that, and then you slide this open. Yeah, you open. It's so easy, like like you see, you open now. Now we need to remove the cover here. Yeah, the cover here need to be removed. So we just we just turn the arrow here to open here. You see. Okay, now the arrow line up now. So we just use a small flat screwdriver. You need to prick the cover up like that. Yeah, so it will open. See, it open, right? Okay, so you just remove it. Okay, the battery is in there. Okay, now we just use this small screwdriver again. Just push. You see, you push the battery down slightly, and then you will come out. Yeah, now see the battery here, and then replace it with the new battery. Yeah, just slide in, go in this side first. Yeah, you go in like that. Yeah, and then you just push it in. You go in then. Yeah, and then when we put the okay, we need to put the cover back on first. Yeah, see, we need to line up the arrow again. It's the same thing again. See, make sure the arrow is lined up, and then you just press it down, and then you turn the arrow to close. Yeah, like that. And now you see you turn it over this way, and then we put the cover back on. Yeah, the cover, you see the latch at the end there, like a hook. Yeah, you see the hook at the end there. You just need to, like, sit it on like that, and then you press it down. It will go in. You see, when you press it down, it will just go in like that. You see, and on same for the other side as well. You see, the hook right at the end, sit on like that. See, sit on like that, and then you just press it down. You see, it's done. Yeah, you see, it's very simple, isn't it? This is for Volvo key, the latest model. Yeah, XC60. Okay, any question you can ask me. Yeah, any kind of question you just ask me. Okay, thank you for watching the video.